Hi, this is Jennifer from the New Home Experts here in Las Vegas. And today we are out at the new community by Tri Pointe Homes. This is called Highview. There are townhomes here anywhere from 1640 to 2252 square feet. I'm excited to show you around. So let's get started right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about new homes happening here in Las Vegas, please go ahead and click below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about new homes happening here in Las Vegas. We do get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas, and we would love to help you make your dream of living in Las Vegas a reality. So I recently did a video at another Tri Pointe townhome community, and I just think they just do such a great job with building out these townhomes. They've got a lot of different floor plans. Most recently, we were at South Ridge Point, which is really close to Southern Highlands, so pretty close actually to where we are now. Very different in that where we are now is a part of a master plan community. We are here a part of Inspirada. So if you do prefer to be somewhat near, like essentially in a master plan, Inspirada here and being at this community, Highview, might be a great choice for you. Going back a bit, but a few years back, they did another townhome community out here in Inspirada called Capri. Some of you might be familiar with that, but what they've really done here is refresh those floor plans. They sold out very quickly, were very popular, and what they did is they refreshed all those floor plans. They brought in Bobby Burke, which is one of their fantastic designers, and you can tell that these have been significantly updated in what their finishes look like. You can see right here, of course, just right now, how beautiful these are done. Just the colors really pop. The light fixtures are gorgeous. I love the one over here in the living area. And they just did a great job with the refresh out here. And also, if you really do prefer to be in a master plan community, if you kind of like that feeling, this might be a great option for you. So the model we're in right now, which is the 1640 floor plan, the pricing, base prices start just about $423,000 for the base. This, of course, is significantly upgrade. We are out here in the model, but you would anticipate your upgrades to cost you about 10% of your base price for your upgrades, depending, of course, on what you select. One of the things that I do love about all of the townhomes out here from Tri Pointe is they really made it a point, to put in some little bit of a backyard space. So even though this isn't very large, I still think it's really nice when you have your own private backyard, as opposed to some of the townhomes out here that are just building townhomes that only offer like a front porch. And then you can see, actually, we've got a nice little view over there of the pool, which seems like a really good place to be at the moment, I would think. I think that's a really nice feature of being out here, of course, in Inspirada. You get the pool. Speaking of which, the HOA is $186 a month. One of the benefits out here is that you are going to enjoy the option of being out here in Inspirada, which is a master plan, but the builder is not putting any of that SID, LID on you, the buyer. So that is essentially going to be covered. So we kind of toured over here the beautiful kitchen. What I really love with this floor plan, and I know I toured this floor plan quite a bit before, but I really love this two-story entry that you have. I think even though this is not a really large home, I think that really adds to the aesthetic and how it feels. You have your powder room down over here. And then we're gonna go take a look at the upstairs. I really love the upstairs on this floor plan. Every time I see this floor plan, because I've seen this quite a bit now, but I just fall in love with it every single time. I just think it is so well done. What I love up here, of course, we are in the model, but here you get an amazing view of that pool. Looks pretty inviting right now because it is, of course, July and over 100 degrees every single day. But I do love the way these are done. So this primary bedroom is really separated from the rest of the house. Here you have a pretty good sized closet. And then I love the flooring that they did in here too. This is really pretty. And here you have it done with, you have a tub here. I'm sure you would have an option as well to put in a super shower. And just so you know, the builder is doing quite a bit of pre-construction. So there's a few of these that are already completed that we'll put that list in our blog as far as what options you have if you were to be purchasing right now, essentially this summer of 2024. Oh, and here's your laundry. And then on this side, here we have the loft, which is done on again, we've seen this before on the other floor plans that we looked at. And I love here, it's open to below. So over here, you can see the whole downstairs. So here you are in the secondary bedroom that also, I mean, has its own bathroom. It's essentially a secondary primary bedroom. That's hard to say, a secondary primary bedroom. But maybe two primary bedrooms because you really do have your own bathroom and your own closet in here. And I think I did this trick last time where you literally go through to the other side. I also wanted to mention that there are some other townhome communities going up out here in Inspirada, and that includes Toll Brothers. They're building a community right down the street from here as well. I'm looking forward to doing a separate tour of those someday, but again, there's quite a bit of building going on out here right now between TriPointe, Toll Brothers, and KB Homes, essentially are the three builders that are actively building right now out here in Inspirada. So let's go take a look at some of the other models. Hi, and now welcome to the 1758 model, which is also referred to as the Plan 2X. Also, I was trying to get that light on, but it didn't turn on. But you can also see this has a really nice two-story entry. This particular floor plan can also be modified up to 2252 square feet when they build the third story. So pretty neat opportunity to get an even larger townhome. But I do like this floor plan even built as the 1758. Just all of them are nice, light and bright, and I think a lot of it has to do with the decor and the paint and really all the light fixtures that were chosen to keep it light and bright. My son really loves the backyards, so he's focusing on the backyard. So we'll come out here. And oh wow, look at this. Here you've got some really nice space. And these aren't large, but just such a great extra outdoor space. I almost tripped on the rug. I love this. That's such a neat idea. Maybe we need to do that in our backyard. The fact that these townhomes do offer this backyard space, I feel like they really start to feel like single family homes versus feeling like you're in an attached townhome. Here you have also your powder here is downstairs. Also, to mention, all of these floor plans do include a 2-car enclosed garage. And I love this light fixture. Really pretty. So let's go take a quick look at the upstairs. So here in the 1758, you do have 3 upstairs bedrooms. Here we'll start out in the primary. And this particular floor plan right now starts at just about $432,000, so about $10,000 more than the floor plan we were just in. Keep in mind, of course, if you do add the extra story, that does obviously bump up the price quite a bit. I think I like these better than the black ones in the other model. But if you do the 2252, they do have one currently that would be ready in August of 2024. That's priced just at about $550,000, and that would include, of course, the third story and all of your upgrades and options in that price at $550,000. Which, to be out here in beautiful Inspirada, we are really close to the airport, really close to the Strip. So this is a great location. Here you have 2 additional bedrooms that would share this bath. I have to say it's really nice and cool in this room right now. Okay, let's go take a look at the next model. Hi, so we thought we'd start outside because I do love these backyards. So we are right now in the 1924 square foot model. We are enjoying this beautiful backyard. Got a little breeze out here right now, which is a nice change of pace. And then come on in, take a look at this nice open space. If you recall, last year I did this same floor plan out at the Vertex models, which is also in Summerlin. So they have these same floor plans or similar in Summerlin if you like that location. They are a little bit more expensive. Again, this one, the base price is $463,000, but I will put the link here for the Vertex models as well, so you can see that again. I love the way this is done. It's just, this is a little bit whimsical, which I think looks great. I love this backsplash. It's kind of like a mixture of light and dark because you have the lighter countertop, but the darker paint on the walls. And I think that really works really nicely. Oh, wow, take a look at this. I love this wallpaper. This is super fun, I think, for a powder room. Really complements the paint in the main living area, but this is just really fun. Look, my nail polish matches too, sort of. But I love this, and I love the way this is sort of angled as well. I think it's just a really unique kind of look to it. And upstairs, what's nice is we do have a loft as well. So let's go take a look at the upstairs. Now, I absolutely love how spacious this feels upstairs. You just do not feel like you are in a townhome when you're enjoying this beautiful loft. I love this upgraded stair rail. And over here, you have your primary bedroom. This is really neat too. There's just some great design ideas from Bobby Burke. I love the wall here, the rustic looking wall. And here you have a shower, no tub, nice countertops. Oh, and they even did the pop of color with the little boxes up here. I don't know what you do with those, but okay, so nice, really nice primary. Oh, I love this. Just think they did a really nice job. I love that chandelier. Okay, so we walk through the loft and the primary, and then over here is your second half of the home. You have 2 really good sized bedrooms here. I love the change into like the vinyl plank flooring in here. I think that's a nice touch. This is obviously a bedroom, but it's done more like an office. And then you have another secondary bedroom here. Both these bedrooms, I have to say, really good size. This one has its own closet. And I know I mentioned Vertex before. I think Inspirada is a great alternative to Summerlin if you want to have that master plan feel, but don't want to pay the same prices that you will in Summerlin. This is another really good choice to be down here in Henderson and Inspirada. I had mentioned earlier that you're really close to the airport. M Resort is just down the street. You also have really great access to Las Vegas Boulevard. You're really not too far from anything right here. And in these townhomes, you really have an opportunity. They feel like essentially single family homes, but they're not. They are definitely townhomes. But I think the combination with the spaces they've created and those really nice backyards really make it a great opportunity to own a townhouse, but feel like a single family home. Thanks so much for watching our tour today of these beautiful townhomes out here by Tri Pointe and Inspirada called Highview. They have another floor plan as well. It's the 1822 model. In addition, they do have the opportunity to build some of these as a 3-story townhome. So just lots of opportunities here. They do have some that would be quick move-ins as well for this summer with some great incentives. We will put that information in our blog for you to go ahead and check out. Again, thanks so much for watching our video today. Thank you so much for spending some time with us. Please make sure to subscribe below and hit that notification bell, and make sure to like this video, and we'll see you next time.